Cybermen Selim dostlar, sizlerle birlikte men dostlar Canan Pro. Bundan dostlar андай GTA'dагы кызыктуу сәттерimiz GTA'дагы анандай GTA'дагы bir жолу болуп кеткен нерселерди көрөтүн болобуз.
Get him in the fucking job. Spread your wings and fly, go.
This shit is super raw.
It feels right. It feels right.
Get him in the fucking job. Warrior. Get him in the fucking job.
Gave me more reason to get here today. All of the anger got put in the work and I'm keeping it going cause I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Coming for that crown though. I'ma get it. Put your fucking hands up.
Feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. Till it's over. And just like a soldier, I just don't live for shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous, cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Wave your hands in the motherfucking air.
She's acting like a pro. Ooh, baby, let's go. And I said that I would never back down. I swear that I would never fucking back down.
Teach me about fucking style.
I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
them take place they use. Try to pull it tighter, that if we get it safe, fast, we will it get.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Gave me more reason to get here today. All of the anger got put in the work and I'm keeping it going. Cause I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Keep working until I die. I know what I want in life, and I'm gonna fight, yeah.
О, басқа жақта қойма. Ана жерде не болғанын мен түсінбедім. Не істейді ол?